Hello Mustangs, this is Mr. Harris. This is a video tutorial to be able to show you how to access our assignments online this year. To start, what you're going to want to do is choose a browser to open up to the World Wide Web. The one that I found to be the best is Google Chrome. As I open up my browser, I want to be able to have access to GunnisonSchools.net. That's our homepage for our school district. To find our school, I'll slide over here to where it says schools and a drop-down box will open up. I'll come down to middle school and click there. Now that I have the middle school page, I'm going to come down towards the bottom here and I'm going to be able to access the PE web page. This will open up another window to be able to let me access. This page is our home page to be able to allow us to be able to show what's going on in our classrooms for the month. For example, on the 29th, we had track team sign-ups. On the 6th, we had relays and 100s. So students and parents can be able to access this calendar to know what's going on their PE classes. This tutorial is to show you how to access the homework assignments that Mrs. B and I are giving. So here we have a comprehension check. So it says 7th and 8th grade track comprehension check. This is one of the ways that we assess the students' knowledge for understanding the units that we are teaching in our classes. Make sure that you click on the appropriate one, if it be a 6th grade comprehension check or 7th grade comprehension check. Once I get this bubble open, I'm going to click here and it's going to open up another link for me able to get my check. From here, I go through my form, I make sure I fill out all the information to be able to get credit for my answers. As I go down to the bottom, after submitting all the answers, I need to go ahead and hit the submit button. It will not let me submit until I have all the boxes filled in. So this is a comprehension check. This is not a quiz. So if I come to a question, for example, long blanks are used to generate distance and power when throwing the discus, and I'm having a hard time understanding that, what I can do is I can go back to my PE web page. At the top, up here, it says PE units. I can click here to be able to access another part of the web page. And these are the different units that Mrs. B and I teach. As I scroll down to the bottom towards track and field, it'll open up a window to where it will show me different activities and techniques that I can use. If I'm having a hard time with one of the events, I can go ahead and open up one of the boxes to be able to watch the video. As of right now, we're just trying to gather information, so I can click here where study guide is. This is going to be a good resource to be able to use to be able to find the answers to some of the questions to our comprehension checks. The question that was asked earlier was about the discus. So I'd recommend using your time to be able to look for the correct answer. It appears long lever arms are something that is important when throwing the discus. So then I would just type in arms. And I'd move on to the next question. Once again, once I finish with it, I'll hit submit. Then my Google comprehension check is over. If you have any questions, please feel free to give Mrs. B and I a call, and thank you for your time.